Welcome to Tasty Kitchen, lovers of homemade cookings. Hello, this is Calvin Law. I like to feature my wife, Wendy, who is a professional cook. She is going to make chili with a twist. Believe me, it's going to be yummy. I hope you enjoy watching it. Thank you. First of all, mix the onion, salt and pepper into the frying pan until the onion becomes brown.
It's getting brown. I'm ready to add my ground beef.
Mix the ground beef with ground onion, pepper and salt together. Continue to stir until the ground beef and also the saute onion are well mixed in and well cooked together. Mix in with 2 teaspoons of ground cumin, 2 teaspoons of chili pepper, again mix them well, stir them well so they are cooked balanced, and at the end,
I will add my beef chunk.
the chili will taste better. You just added beef chunk, half-pound beef chunk into the pan. Again, stir well. Make sure they are balanced and well cooked.
Add 1 can of dried tomato.
1 can of diced tomato. Don't forget to stir again.
Tomato sauce.
1 can of puree tomato sauce. Stir it well. How long do you need to let it cook?
Just cook it for a while. I add my red bean.
Just let it cook about 2 minutes before adding red beans to the chili. Continue to stir until they all mix well. Chili is one of the easiest and fastest cuisine
And
that anybody can make.
the secret ingredient is the
This is the secret ingredient.
Hot chocolate.
Is hot chocolate. This is the secret ingredient, folks. Make sure when you cook chili, you put in this 2 bags of chocolate. We assure you that afterwards it's going to be delicious. And the whole pot will be finished at dinner time.
I stuff it well and I lower the heat and cover it for 20 minutes to half an hour, and we're ready to serve. After 20 minutes, here is my chili. Okay, turn up the heat, and I'm going to try. And I put a little bit of cheese on. Okay, cheese done. Chili.
So put some cheese on, and this is the home cooked chili with a twist.